ReVent. An easy installation for the pro and DIY with sheetrock fast screwless fan mounting. Before beginning installation, make sure the circuit breaker is turned off at the service panel. Unclip the old fan grill and remove. Unplug the motor from the housing. Unscrew the screw that connects the motor to the housing. Use a flathead screwdriver to pry the motor out of the fan housing. Remove the electrical housing cover and disconnect the electrical by removing the wire connectors. Push or unscrew the conduit and pull wiring out of the fan housing. Disconnect the damper from the housing. Disconnect the damper from the old duct pipe. Use a screwdriver to bend the old fan housing inward. Peel back with pliers if needed to expose the mounting brackets. Pry the fan housing loose from the wood joists. Remove the old fan. Leave the existing ductwork and wiring in place. Now, on to installing your new ReVent Pro 50 CFM fan. Remove the damper from housing by sliding it outward. Make sure the damper is in the correct vertical position. Then tape the damper to the pipe using duct tape. Bend the joist mounting ears inward. Raise and rest fan housing in the ceiling. Attach conduit with wiring to the fan housing. Reattach the damper to the fan housing. Bend the holding tabs outward. Rest the fan in position. Press the securing tabs against the ceiling. The secure tabs lock the fan into place. Unplug the motor from the housing. Unscrew the screw that connects the motor to housing. Remove the motor. Remove the electrical housing cover. Reconnect the electrical, matching white to white neutral, black to black power, and ground to green or bare wire. Reinsert the electrical housing cover. Reinsert the motor to the fan housing and screw into place. Reconnect the motor. Finish by attaching the grill. Squeeze the mounting springs together and insert them into the slots in the fan housing. Now you can enjoy your new ReVent fan. ReVent with sheetrock fast screwless fan mounting.